Well, this is what somebody did today. I finally got sick and tired with the garage lights. They were incandescent and they were up for approximately 40 something years. And I was tired of changing ballasts and lights, so I decided to link her to the Alexa account. So let's see how this works. Here's our garage. Okay, there's our lights. Alexa, turn on garage light 2. Alexa, turn on garage light 1. Now, these are 12,000 lumens. If that doesn't start your day, nothing will. These things are bright as hell and really cool looking. They don't come through because they're so bright. They won't come through on the camera. But that's all the crap I took down. So, bulbs and everything gone. See, wouldn't want to be... Now, if you can reach up here, all of these fins are adjustable. They're all tiltable. Like these two I have pointing, the front two I have pointing at the workbench here. And these two I have over here on this one. I have pointing at the door for people coming in and out of the door. So, and basically that's about it. That took about, I don't know. I already taken the lights down yesterday. And it was a pain in the ass. Because my arm is numb and my neck is numb and my back is numb. So it took a little while longer. It should have only taken about an hour to do this project, but it took me a little longer. But I did get it done and it looks good. So, and you can do this with your phone when you're coming up the driveway and just tap on an Alexa and just tell her to turn the lights on and off. So, and you don't have to have either one on at the same time. And so they're really nice, bright lights, and we'll see how long they last. So, Alexa, turn off garage light 1. Alexa, turn off garage light 2. And that's it. You guys have a good day, and if you want to know what they are, what they look like I said, they're 12,000 lumens a piece, so they're pretty damn bright. So, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.